Today we will learn lesson 1, eating habits of animals. Now first you should know what is food. Now food is a substance. Food is a substance mainly obtained from animals or plants that a living thing that a living eats to survive. It gives us energy to do work. We or any living thing cannot live without eating food. Now listen again. Food. What is food? Food is a substance mainly obtained from animals or plants that a living thing eats to survive. It gives us energy to do work. We means any living thing cannot live without eating food. Now you should also know different animals eat different kinds of food. Their method of eating food are also different. Different animals eat different kinds of food. अलग अलग जानवर अलग अलग तरह का खाना खाते हैं. Their methods of eating food are also different. उनके खाने का तरीका भी अलग होता है. Now, on the basis of eating food, animals are classified into three groups. Animals are classified into three groups. According to eating habits of food, animals are classified into three groups. They are: First one is herbivorous animals. Second one, you can say carnivorous animals. And the third one is omnivorous animals. Again, listen. According to eating habits of food, animals are divided into three groups. First one is herbivores, second one is carnivores, and the third one is omnivores. First one, second one, and third one. Now, who are herbivorous animals? Those animals who eat only plants. Those animals who eat only plants are called herbivorous animals. And you can also say plants or plant products. Those animals who eat only plants or plant products are herbivorous animals. Their examples are cow, goat, uh, giraffe, deer, buffalo, etc. etc. Again, listen. Those animals who eat only plants or plant products are herbivorous animals. Example cow, goat, giraffe, deer, buffalo, etc. वो जानवर जो सिर्फ प्लांट या प्लांट से जुड़े हुए चीजों को खाते हैं उन्हें हम हर्बीवोर्स एनिमल्स कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल काउ, गाय, गोट, बकरी, जिराफ, डियर, हिरन, बफेलो, भैंस, etc. Now, carnivorous animals. Those animals who eat flesh or meat of other animals. Other animals. Those animals who eat flesh or meat of other animals are carnivorous animals. They do not eat plants or plant products. Their examples are lion, tiger, wolf, cheetah, leopard, etc. etc. Again, listen. Those animals who eat flesh or meat of other animals are called carnivorous animals. They do not eat plants or plant products. Example, lion, tiger, wolf, cheetah, leopard, etc. वो जानवर जो दूसरे जानवर का मांस खाते हैं उन्हें हम कार्निवोर्स एनिमल्स कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल जैसे लायन, टाइगर, वुल्फ, चीता एंड लेपर्ड. Now the third one is omnivorous animals. Those animals who eat both plants and flesh or meat of other animals. Those animals who eat both plants or plant products and flesh or meat of other animals are omnivorous animals. Example of omnivorous animals are deer, crow, dog, human beings. We the human beings are also omnivores, etc. Now listen again. Those animals who eat both plant products, and flesh or meat of other animals, they are called omnivores animals. Example deer, cow, dog, human beings, etc. वो जानवर जो दोनों चीज खाएं, प्लांट्स भी और फ्लेश भी, उन्हें हम कहते हैं omnivores. Example deer, it's not, sorry, it's crow. It's deer, crow, not cow, it's crow. Deer, crow, dog, human beings, etc. It's crow, not deer, not cow. Now we will study the teeth structure of all three types of animals. It is very important. Herbivores. Now their teeth are like this. Herbivores animals have this type of teeth. That means they have broad, flat teeth. They have broad, flat teeth. Now carnivorous animals, their teeth are like this. Their teeth are like this, pointed, sharp pointed teeth. Okay. Carnivores have sharp pointed teeth. Now the third one is omnivores. They have both the kinds of teeth. Broad flat teeth as well as sharp pointed teeth. Now, what is the purpose behind these different kinds of teeth? Now, as we know that herbivorous animals eat plants or plant products, so they have broad, flat teeth, so that they can, they can grind and chew their food easily. No, not carnivores. Herbivores animals have this type of teeth, broad, flat teeth, so that they can grind and chew their food easily. Now, carnivores have sharp, pointed teeth, so that they can they can tear flesh, so that they can tear flesh of other animals easily. Carnivores have pointed, sharp pointed teeth, so that they can tear flesh of other animals easily. And The third one is omnivores. They have both the kinds of teeth, broad, flat, plus sharp, pointed. They have both the kinds of teeth because they eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals. Once again, we will discuss this topic. Teeth. Teeth of herbivores animals are broad, flat, so that they can grind and chew their food easily. Teeth of carnivorous animals are sharp pointed, so that they can tear flesh of other animals easily. And omnivores have both the kinds of teeth, broad flat plus sharp pointed, because they eat both plants as well as animals. This type of teeth, broad flat, help them to eat plants easily, and this kind of teeth, sharp pointed, help them to eat flesh easily. Understood? Now we will revise once again. According to eating habits of food, animals are divided or classified into three groups: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores, those animals who eat only plants or plant products, are called herbivorous animals. Example: cow, goat, giraffe, deer, buffalo, etc. They have broad, flat teeth. Why they have broad, flat teeth? So that they can grind and chew their food easily. Now, second one is carnivores. Those animals who eat flesh or meat of other animals are called carnivorous animals. They do not eat plants or plant products. Example are lion, tiger, wolf, cheetah, leopard, etc. These animals have sharp pointed teeth. Why they have sharp pointed teeth? So that they can tear flesh of other animals easily. Now, third one is omnivorous animals. Those animals who eat both plants, plant products, and flesh or meat of other animals. Omnivores eat both plants as well as flesh. Now, example are bear, crow, it's crow, not cow, dog, human beings, etc. Omnivores have both the kinds of teeth, broad flat as well as sharp pointed, because they eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals. Broad flat teeth help them eat plants or plant products, and sharp pointed teeth help them to eat flesh or meat of other animals. Now, our next topic is food chain, and it is a very important topic. Our next topic is food chain. Okay, and this topic we will study in next class. Thank you.